Hello, today I will represent my work entitled Effects of the Solvent on the Electrical and Optical Properties of SNO2 thin films. We start with the introduction. For many years ago, research has been carried out to obtain high-quality thin films, transparent conducting oxide, SNO, interesting material, and the most attractive TCOs are ZNO and SNO2, etc. Tin dioxide has a large band gap between 3.5 and 3.8 electron volt, which make it the most widely used in many applications such as photocatalysis application, and it's prepared with many methods such as spraying pyrolysis method. The purpose of our work is to obtain to find how the optical and electrical properties changed when we change the solvent. We move to the experimental part. So our sample were prepared using a pneumatic spraying pyrolysis technique using tin chloride SN2H2O dissolved in distilled water and methanol. We call it SN1, or distilled water and ethanol. We call it SN2 with the addition of a few drops of HCl. Secondly, we talk about our result. From figure 1, we can observe that the SN2 has the highest band gap, 3.83 electron volt. Then the SN1 with the value of 3.79 electron volt. This leads to more uniformity of this film, which called it Ouargla energy. And moreover, SN2 has the highest transmittance in the visible range, its wavelength between 400 and 800 nanometers as shown in figure 2, but in general the transmittance of the two prepared samples, which are SN1 and SN2, are almost equal within the limit of 97%. For the electrical properties, from the calculation when we used the 4-point probe, we found that the SN1 has the best electrical properties than the SN2 because it has the highest electrical conductivity with the value of 180 times 0.001 ohm centimeters. So we can conclude that the best solvent to use it to prepare SNO2 thin films is the ethanol and distilled water. Because its optical and electrical properties is excellent in comparison with the properties of SN1, and all the results are summarized in table 1. Thank you very much.